Welcome to the frontier of medtech brilliance. Johari Digital. For over 40 years, Johari Digital Healthcare Limited has been a beacon of excellence, offering research, design, engineering, manufacturing, and regulatory expertise to the world's leading medical device companies. With a technologically driven design team based in Serbia and a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spanning 65,000 square feet in India, we are fully equipped to serve the full product life cycle for high volume, low complexity to highly complex medical devices. From therapeutic and IVD and laboratory to patient monitoring and optical imaging, Johari Digital stands as a cornerstone. A mark of our dedication, we've delivered over 100,000 medical devices globally, upholding the highest quality metrics through numerous audits, including the esteemed MD-SAP that matches US FDA GMP benchmarks. Today, we are proud to be partnering with over 100 active clients worldwide, with many from the ranks of Fortune 500. Johari Digital is distinguished by its 3P principles. People, a team of passionate professionals engaged with clients at every stage, listening to their customized needs. Process, a pledge to premium product guided by US FDA GMP standards. Price efficiency. We leverage the lower manpower costs in India to deliver exceptional value to our clients. At Johari, we provide end-to-end solution for your medical device manufacturing, ranging from design and development, value engineering, design for manufacturing, product integration, quality and regulatory, packaging and labeling. Every certification from ISO and FDA to CE is a proof of our commitment to unparalleled quality. Our expertise in quality assurance and regulatory affairs makes us the preferred partner for global medtech leaders, catapulting their vision from blueprints to market realities. Our sourcing footprint spans across 17 countries, offering an ability to amplify production multifold. Johari Digital has consistently aligned with the vanguards of the medical device arena, contributing to their market triumphs. It's worth noting that 80% of our turnover originates from our esteemed US clientele.
At Johari Digital, we don't merely meet the expectations, we elevate them. And every partnership speaks of our dedication to excellence. The knowledge and acumen gained in last 4 decades is leveraged to add value at every stage of the product life cycle, whether it is designing to enhance aesthetics or end user experience. Our people are the heartbeat of our organization. Their dedication and expertise breathes life into the mission driving us forward. They are not just employees. They are the most precious assets in this transformative journey. What is the purpose of our company? Improving quality of life through medtech solutions with our partners.
At Johari Digital, our vision is grand yet crystal clear: to have exponential growth through the partnerships with the world's leading medtech companies. We are thrilled to announce our recent alliance of the listed EMS company Sirma SGS, a monumental stride towards a great growth and actualizing our vision. Sirma SGS has manufacturing facilities in hubs like Chennai and Gurgaon, and this will augment our facilities, our capabilities, so that we can grow towards our vision. Especially in a post-pandemic world, the potential of medtech is palpable and vast. At Johari Digital, our strength has always been unwavering commitment to the processes. And now with Sirma SGS by side, we will be goal-oriented too, setting our sights higher than ever. Together, we are poised to redefine the future of medtech world.
At Johari Digital, we craft beyond the ordinary, sculpting exceptional solutions for the global medical device sector. Embrace a partnership with us and behold the essence of Johari Digital.